Hey everybody, it's OK Fixer. I took a trip down to Dallas and I picked up a couple of beams on Craigslist. Go to Dallas. Let me tell you what, man. There used to be this old song called "Going to Dallas, Taking My Razor and My Gun." Maybe not like that, but when you go down to Texas, go down to Dallas, you're going to run into construction, and you're going to run into two lanes of traffic divided by concrete, and the lanes of traffic are 10 feet wide, and everybody's going to be traveling at 70 miles an hour. right in the city. It's pretty crazy. They drive pretty fast there. So I did enjoy the HOV line, high occupants vehicle line. That was kind of nice. You get 2 or more people in a vehicle and you can get on this line. Costs you a little bit of money, but you can travel fast. So anyways, went down to Dallas and Waxahachie, which is slightly south of Dallas, and I picked up these beams. And because mine are rotten, they're rotten right here on the other side. So this beam and these 2 rollers that were on it, I picked up for $100, which is a great deal. The drums look well beat, and the shocks are like beat, and the just joking here. Here's one good thing is the adjustment screw on the steering box hasn't been walked all the way down, so it might be a newer box, it might be rebuilt, because usually they're walked all the way down and really clunky. So the suspension does turn, that's really good. The lower ball joints still have the rubber on them, so I don't see why they wouldn't be serviceable still. I'll take them off and put new rubbers on them. I'll have to check the uppers and stuff and see, but you know, a cheap build. Mounting is all in good shape. Can't beat that, man. $100 for all that in a good beam. Then I went to another place and I picked up this for $50. And well, I already have 2 hoods, right? Well, you know, they've got quite a few dents in them and stuff, and this one's a lot cleaner. It is a 70 hood or a convertible hood, and it does have the little tabs right here for the tubes, albeit the rain catcher is gone. That's okay, I have 2 rain catchers, that's fine. Then that was 50. And then this beam was 75, so it's not seized up either. The steering gear though is, I'll have to look into this stuff, and it's got a little booger here where the body screws to it, but we can fix that. But the thing is it doesn't have any rot in it. That's the good thing. That's the good thing. So parts can still be had, relatively cheap, you know. So $225 for all this. Of course, had to take the Ford down to Texas to get that. But now I've got 2 good front ends for this 70 and for the 70 in the backyard. Terrific, huh? See you guys later.